You have learned that noun phrases can have many functions in a sentence. They can be used as the subject, subject complement, direct object, indirect object, and the object of a preposition. In this lesson, you will learn how noun phrases function as subjects and subject complements in sentences. A noun phrase acting as a subject performs the action in the sentence. Can you find the noun phrase acting as a subject in this sentence? The Little League baseball team is a noun phrase. It performs the action one in the sentence, so it acts as the subject of the sentence. A noun phrase acting as a subject complement describes or renames the subject of the sentence. The team is a group of 12 players. What is the noun phrase that renames the subject of the sentence? A group of 12 players is a noun phrase that renames the subject team, so it is acting as a subject complement in the sentence. Have many functions. You will learn how noun phrases function as objects in a sentence. They can appear as a direct object, an indirect object, or the object of a preposition. When a noun phrase appears as a direct object, it receives the action in the sentence. Let's look at the sentence below. The child carved the orange pumpkin on Halloween night. Can you identify the noun phrase that receives the action in this sentence? The orange pumpkin is a noun phrase that receives the action in the sentence. What did the child carve? The child carved the orange pumpkin. When a noun phrase appears as an indirect object, it describes to or for whom the action is performed. In the sentence, Rachel gave her smiling mother a big hug after school. We know that the action is gave. Which noun phrase describes to whom she gave a hug? Her smiling mother is a noun phrase, and it describes to whom Rachel gave a big hug. The indirect object usually receives the direct object, which in this case is a big hug. A noun phrase can also function as the object of a preposition, which means it follows a preposition in a sentence. Let's look at the sentence below. The general quickly earned the respect of his young troops. Which noun phrase follows a preposition in this sentence? The noun phrase, his young troops, follows the preposition of in the sentence. His young troops therefore functions as the object of the preposition of.